Hello and welcome back for another Agix price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Agix chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Agix is holding above a key area of support at around the $0.227 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And the next key area of resistance that we need to keep our eyes on is at around the $0.2585 mark. And the moment you manage to break above it, then watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. Agix has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June, in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.17 mark, we started this nice 1-2 setup, where we have that as a 1-2 setup, then another 1-2 setup having that as a wave 1, then a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. And there are chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, we also expect to see a 5-wave structure within the formation of that wave 3. And I believe that is what is playing out here on the Agix chart, where we can term this as a wave 1, then a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2 before we can see a wave 3, then expect a wave 4. Then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. And to just show you that this second wave has also hit minimum retracement areas by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I get a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have fully maximized here on the charts. And there are high chances that the low is in for the second wave, and soon we can expect a bit of a bounce in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the short-term point of view. And the key area of support at around the $0.227 mark is the area that I'm watching, and resistance at around the $0.2585 mark. And zooming out on the charts to give you the long-term point of view here on the Agix chart, where you can see that after seeing our November lows, we saw a 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.67 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And there are high chances that the low for the second wave is in, and Agix is now ready for a massive pump to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And the moment that we see a complete 5-wave structure here on the lower time frames, and also see an ABC corrective structure follow, see a break above significant highs and continue gearing up here on the Agix chart, then that will be enough confirmation that the low is in for that wave 2, and we are now seeing that massive pump in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Agix chart. On the indicators, on the RSI, we are trading at around the 44 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.